welcoming you all. Now we are going to discuss about the mode frequency analysis of cantilever beam with the ANSI software. And the cantilever beam is shown in the figure. The beam of left end is be fixed and right end is free, and length of beam is 10 meter and crosses of the beam as shown in the figure. And Young's modulus is 200 into 10 to the power 9 Newton per mm square, and Poisson ratio 0.3, weight density 7.83 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. And now we will solve this problem by using ANSYS software. And open ANSYS software and go to preference as usual and click structural, click structural, and then OK, and preprocessor, element type, add beam 188, beam 2 node 188, and then OK, section, go to sections and common section, beam and common section, select the correct sections of the beam, centroid, and give the 10 comma 10 preview. OK, and material property, go to material property, material model, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic, 2 into e to the power 5, and 0.25 small Poisson ratio value, then click OK. Okay, density, density, dense 7830, then OK. Go to modeling and create key points. Go to key and select key points, inactive CS, render coordinates value 0 comma key points number 1, 0 comma 0, and then apply key points number 2, 100 comma 0, then apply, and then OK. Join two key points by straight lines, on lines, straight line, select 1 and 2, and then OK. And meshing, go to meshing, and mesh control is a area, Sorry, it's not a missing. Says Anya says on lines, all lines. Enter the value of number of element division. Then okay. Go to another. Go to solution. Go to solution. Define loads. Apply structural structural displacement on nodes. Select the left node point. Then OK. All DOF. Analysis type. New analysis model. OK. Analysis type. Analysis type. New analysis type. New analysis model. Then OK. Option block. So enter the value number of x. Extra 5. Do the maximum value as 5 and end frequency 5. Okay. And end frequency 10,000. Then click OK. Solve counterless. Then close. Go to general post processor. Read result. First set. First set. Dot result. Deformed save. Choose deform, deform, and then OK. If you want to capture this image, go to this one and capture and save file name as 8.1. OK. Close. Read result. Next set. Read result. Next next set and go to part result and deform save and so on and then OK. Save image Okay, then 8.2, let's name, then okay, close. After that, okay, this is where we have to analyze the problem with ANSI software. Uh, okay, thank you.